Hello everybody, welcome back to Mixed Lakeside Railway. Apologies for the length of time it's taken for me to show you another video, but I must admit I've slowed down over the last few months, but I only like to do a video when I've got something to show you. My problem's been Microsoft have changed the way now you format making a video, which I've struggled to get my head around. I don't know whether it's what I'm doing or it's the computer. I make the video, I export it, and as I get to the end it kicks me out, and this has done this several times. So if you're watching this video, I've managed to crack it, and that's it. But I have got another computer in a workshop at the moment, being repaired, which hopefully that will come back and will make it easier. But I don't know if you know that we've only got 2 years left of my Windows 10, and then it's going to be obsolete. So it'll be a new computer that will then take Windows 11, as my computers are not compatible. So, and I think this new system they've put on, this clip champ, which is what it's called now when you make your videos, hopefully a new computer will accept that more, and we'll be okay. But anyway, thanks again everyone still subscribing and following the channel, still going up. In this video I've bought some wagons from KRM Models, the iron ore wagons. I bought 9 to start with, and but as you know, I like to run long trains, so after I had sorted out the problems with these ones, I've now increased it, and now with a few more. Got a couple of other things to show you on as well, so let's get on with it. And thanks for your continued support, and I'd like to know if anybody else has had trouble with the clip champ on the Windows 10, and I answer all your comments, so please keep them coming, and see you soon. Right, this is the Hornby magnetic couplings fitted, both ends. I'm going to do the others now, and then we'll see how it goes. Right, what I'm going to do on this one, just a little update, is where the trains come out of the platforms at the moment, I can't take a train off of platform 1 and take them over to platform 4 going out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut into the track here, and I'm going to replace the existing track with 2 long left hand points. I don't use short points, I always try and use the long ones if I can. Gives the trains a better run off, and they can go through at a better speed. So I shall cut into the track here with a Dremel over the back there, and then I will join these 2 into this. So as I go through it, I'll just keep you updated. Right, let's carry on. Right, that's the area I've now taken out. So I'm gonna level this bit up at the end there, put the cork down, and then start laying these bits of track. Right, I've managed to get the 2 points in. Quite hard stretching right over and doing this. I shall fill the blanks in with some sleepers, bit more cork, and then once I've got the ballast in, you won't notice any difference. Rightio, we'll see that in action. Yeah, since the last time, I purchased now another pack of the Acura scale nuclear flask wagons, so I can run a set of 4, and also I've purchased the 3 packs of KR Models iron ore wagons. Yeah, I saw the iron ore wagons advertised in the Hornby magazine. They look unusual, so I thought I'll invest in a set of these. Nice looking models. The only thing I found was the couplings were a little bit clumsy. They didn't tend to sit up. They're on the old return springs, but they're not 100%, but I'm managing to get away with them. I might even invest in another 3-pack so I can run a rake of 18. But I'm going to contact Hattons because I know they do some iron ore, some fill the wagons. Yeah, I thought they looked very good, very unusual. So I know apparently in real life they only used to run at about a rake of 9. I'll take it behind a steam loco, but I don't stick to the low numbers. I like to run a good set. So yeah, let's move on. Right, these are the 18 iron ore wagons now loaded, as I showed you on the bench, and I'm using the Sutton locomotive class 24 to do this. So we'll get it out. I'm going to take it across and put it onto track 3. All Hornby couplings on these, except for the last 2 wagons. I'll do those when the Hornby get more in. I will fit a flashing light to the back of this. No problem at all. Right.